Hi, this is your tech buddy from the mobile store, and today we are here for the official unboxing of Sony's latest introduction, Xperia Z Ultra, exclusively for the mobile store. So this is the Xperia Z Ultra, the 6.4-inch display on a phone. Wow! So this is probably a mini tablet, but this is actually a phone. Here we can see the retail package of Sony Xperia Z Ultra. We will also be getting a free case worth Rs 3000 along with the phone. So now you can see here we have the specifications on the back side. It's one of the first Sony phones to pack the Tremulous display technology. It also packs the Exmor RS sensor for the camera. It has opti-contrast panel for the display. We have NFC waterproof technology and 1080 pixel full HD display. It is running on an Android 4.2 OS. It is IP55 by 58 in terms of water protection, waterproof and water resistance. And guess, this is the first phone to run on the all-new Snapdragon 800 processor by the Qualcomm. It beats all the other processors in the market right now. And it is going to be one of the fastest processors available in the mobile handset market right now. And this one of the first phone to pack it. So you have a 8 megapixel camera, and considering it a Sony phone, the camera is going to be great. Now let's get into the box and show you the phone. Oh wow, this is huge. This is basically a lot bigger than what you can see in the picture. So this is really a huge 6.44-inch display on a phone. Now let's get it out of the plastic covering. Wow, look at that. You can use it in one hand, but probably you need two hands to use it to the full extent. Really huge screen right there, and it's pretty thin for a phone of this size. It is 6.5 mm thick. It feels really premium in terms of the feel. So you can have the volume rocker, power button, and the micro SD slot as well. So now let's go through the hardware once we have gone through the box content. Let's put the phone aside for a second and take a look at what's inside the box. You have a startup guide, safety guidelines, there's a warranty certificate as well. You also get a wall charger, a standard micro SD cable which can fit into the wall charger here. You also get a nice pair of earphones from Sony. Now let's put the box aside and get the phone over here. Let's remove this plastic film off the screen. Let's power it on so it shows the Sony branding, and it has switched on pretty fast for an Android phone. Normally it takes some time to switch on an Android phone. Really awesome looking screen there. Kind of looks massive in terms of handling the phone. The weight is balancing enough. It is 212 gram in weight and doesn't feel kind of heavy. Let's take a look at the back of the phone. So you just need to unlock the phone by sliding this way. Let's check what's the Android version on which it is running. Let's go into the settings about the phone. It is running on 4.2.2, which is kind of nice. So it feels really fast when you actually use it. Let's open up the Chrome. Pretty nice big screen to do surfing on the internet or watch movies. It doesn't really feel bad to be holding it in one hand, to be honest. Now let's quickly walk you through the hardware. In front you have 6.44-inch screen with Tremulous display, which feels really nice to the eyes. Pretty much everything is on the screen. The controls are right here. So you don't need extra keys right there. Pretty good thing. It is a waterproof phone. So that's a good move from Sony. On the right side you have the power lock switch, the volume rocker. On the top right, the audio jack. And there is also a flap which houses the micro SD card slot and the SIM card tray. So it's the similar mechanism found on the Sony Xperia Z tablet. On the back you have an 8 megapixel camera. There is no flash and there is an NFC as well. The battery is kind of a sealed on the inside, which is not that big, and is a 3050 mAh battery. On the left side you have something like connecting pin kind of a system. Inside there is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 800 processor, clocked at about 2.2 GHz. It is the fastest processor in the market. So it has about 2 GB RAM, micro SD expansion, running on Android 4.2.2 and LTE support. So yes, that's all about the all-new Sony Xperia Z Ultra. In conclusion, it's a handset for everyone who love to have a large size loaded handset with mind-blowing features. Hope you have enjoyed this video and thanks for watching. This phone is available on the Mobile Store website on easy EMI options. Just log into www.themobilestore.in or step into the nearest The Mobile Store outlet to have this fabulous device. Stay tuned to the Mobile Store YouTube channel for more unboxing and review videos. This is your Tech Buddy signing out. Goodbye.